Lesson 50. Questions expecting a yes answer. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask a question in Latin that makes it clear that we're expecting a yes answer or that we want a yes answer. And the way we do that is by using the word nonne.
Nonne
Is simply a combination of the word non with that special ne ending that we taught you a few lessons ago. And as I say here in the text, it allows you to say the word non, but in a sort of a question-y kind of way, right?
Exactly.
So it's very similar to in English when we put the word right at the end of a question. I'm a farmer, right?
Exactly. But, we should be careful. I make this mistake sometimes too, where when I'm speaking Latin, I'll tend to put nonne at the end of my sentence rather than the beginning, because we usually say right in English.
That's true. And really, it's better off at the beginning of the sentence, isn't it?
Exactly.
Like in our example here, nonne agricula sum.
Sounds existential.
Right. As I say, it's a man who is contemplating his career choices. So when you put nonne at the beginning of a question, it makes it sound as though you're expecting the answer to be yes. And as you can see here at the end of the lesson, I show you different ways that you can translate that into English.
But Bill, what kind of translation are we going to stick with in the answer key?
Generally, I'm going to put the kinds of examples you see here right before the exercises. Right, aren't you, isn't she, aren't they? That kind of thing plugged in at the very end of the sentence. That's how we'll translate these into English in the answer key.
So keep that in mind when you go to check those.
They're in the answer key, aren't they?
Nonne?